Welcome to my home. I'm super excited to take you around my house today and show you how I've decorated it. So if you're interested, keep watching. So when you walk into my house, the first thing you see is this corner. I really love this corner. It has all of my shoes, and above it I have this Adidas little poster which I think suits perfectly. You move in and this is what you see. So this, by the way, was very sneaky. We didn't realize at first, but this is actually a secret closet. That's the kitchen. We'll go there in a minute. Over here I have this little thing for my winter coats. Oh, Elsa, what are you doing here? Hey girl. Aw. Okay, this is my living room. Then right opposite my winter coat thing, I have this poster of Kylie Jenner, which on the opposite side has the shoe which is above my shoe racks. This, by the way, very interesting. If anybody has to come up to my house, they have to dial my house number. This will ring and then I have to allow them access through this button. I think it's very secure and I enjoy that. I really love how compact this kitchen is, but it really serves the purpose. So first things first, my favorite part of the kitchen is definitely all the collage work I've done on my fridge. I did this all by myself. This little magnet to this magnet, this one, I made all of these by myself. This is all the counter space that I have here. Oh, Elsa, what are you doing here? She's so naughty, guys. This one, my bestie girl here won for me in a vending machine, and this one I got from Hong Kong. I think they're really pretty, complement each other. This beautiful view that I see, look at that. Every morning I get to look at all this greenery and maybe look into some of these people's houses, but they have this little area in which people store their cleaning supplies. Usually I don't use that, but maybe my neighbor does. Okay, going out of the kitchen. This is my living space. I am so proud of it, very happy with it. I think this area is definitely my favorite of... Okay, let's actually segregate the house. Let's call this the dining space, this little corner. Love this. It's just my oasis. I think it's so beautiful. I have my postcards there with my necklaces. I made this from toilet paper rolls, empty toilet paper rolls, by the way. Very happy with that wreath. I've got my little decorations, some flowers there. I have this basket which I got to put anything, just anything. Elsa! Those things, guys, I got barely for $2. This is for $2, this little owl. How beautiful is it? This was my little vision board for 2020. I mean, I guess that's not happening because 2020 is not happening. Opposite to that area is a blank wall which I've kept blank. This is where I take my food pictures or any product pictures that I want to keep. Let me introduce you to my living area. I used to have a dirty black mat over here which I removed, and I feel like that gave this house just a whole new look, and I really like it. I cannot be more thankful for the balcony. I'm basically paying for the balcony. It's beautiful. But first, let's explore the indoors. So over here, I have my TV, which I watch a lot. So in my living area, I think this corner has to be my favorite. It looks very pretty, except for my ugly vacuum in the background. But I love these three pieces. Again, $2. It's a piggy bank, literally. This I made by myself. I put the ribbon on it. That's a Doraemon little cup. How cute is that? Over here, I have some candles. This little thing. This is the lighter they use here, guys. It has an actual flame. Whoa! Come over here, I have my Xbox and Elsa. Can you believe this table chair set came with the house as well? So I get to look at all of that beautiful greenery. Some cars passing by, as you can see. There's my clothes rack. Excited, but this is actually a fan. There we go! Walk in here. This is my room. I've actually uploaded a whole room tour of this area, so make sure to check that out. Behind this door is another door which leads to the bathroom. I think my favorite part of the bathroom is definitely this section because I usually keep my skincare in here. It's a tooth fairy. How cute! This door leads to the kitchen. So technically you can take a full round around the house. The entire house is connected, and then over here there's a shower area. So this is a storage area, but underneath this is the washing area, and it's so quiet because it's inside, not in your face, no ugly washing machines being seen, and I just keep all my dirty clothes in this. This is just a big shopping bag of a store. So that was my humble abode. I hope you enjoyed checking out my house. If you want to watch my room tour, I'll link it now on the screen. If you want an in-depth wardrobe tour and how I organize everything, put that in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. You can watch my house tour from my previous house in Singapore right here on the screen as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.